direction is meant to provide you necessary guidance to another important tool to read a topographical sheet. Direction is a very important tool to read a topo sheet. Directions are very important for physical as well as urban features. Let's see cardinal points of direction. One can see 8 cardinal points on a map such as north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. Here we have a picture to illustrate 8 cardinal points. This picture shows cardinal directions. Mainly there are 8 cardinal directions or points on a map. They are north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. To find out compass direction between 2 urban features or physical features, one should have the knowledge of cardinal directions. Cardinal directions, you have here another picture. Based on this picture, we can state answer to these questions. Suppose A, B, C and D are settlements. First question is, find out the compass direction of the settlement of A from B. Attention should be paid to of A from B. What is the compass direction of settlement of A from B? A from B. Imagine you are standing in settlement of B. So, the compass direction of settlement of A from B is west. Next, the direction of the settlement of B from D. B from D. North. Direction is north. The direction of the settlement of C from A. C from A. South. South is the compass direction of the settlement of C from A. Next question is, what is the compass direction of the settlement of B from A? B from A. East. East. The direction of the settlement of C from B. C from B. Southwest. Southwest. The direction of the settlement of D from A. D from A. Southeast. Southeast is the direction of the settlement of D from A. Another question. That is compass direction of the settlement of B from C. B from C. Northeast. Northeast is the direction of the settlement of B from C. Last question. What is the compass direction of the settlement of A from D? Direction of settlement of A from D. Northwest. Northwest. Northwest is the direction of the settlement of A from D. Likewise, concerning urban cities and physical features, we have to find out directions. In a topo sheet, we have questions based on directions with reference to river, riverbanks and urban cities. Let's know the direction concerning river and riverbanks. To know that in which direction a river is flowing, one has to observe few steps. We all know that rivers always flows from higher elevation to lower elevation. To determine the slope of the land and the source of the river, one has to look at spot height. To know on which bank of the river a place is situated, you have to stand at the source of the river. To the right of yourself is the right bank and your left is the left bank. This picture and the questions that follow helps us to locate directions concerning river and river banks. In this picture, you can see spot heights 237 and 242 along with settlements of Mithan and Nimbora. It is Sipu Nadi. Spot heights 237, 242, settlements of Mithan and Nimbora and Sipu Nadi. Here the question is, what is the flow of direction of Sipu river and on which bank of Sipu river the settlement of Nimbora situated? What is the flow of direction of Sipu river? We know that rivers always flows from higher elevation to lower elevation. To know the source of the river, we have to look at spot height 237 to 42. Elevation is higher here. So the source of the river is northeast. Sipu river flows from northeast to southwest. The direction of flow of Sipu river is northeast to southwest. Next we have to state answer to second question. On which bank of Sipu river the settlement of Nimbora situated? To know the bank of the river, one has to stand at the source of the river. To the right is the right bank and to the left of yourself is the left bank. So, if you stand at the source of the Sipu river, the settlement of Nimbora is to the left of yourself. So, on the left bank of Sipu Nadi, the settlement of Nimbora situated. Likewise, with the help of spot height, we have to determine the slope of the land and the source of the river. Next, we have to stand at the source of the river to find out the location of the settlement, on which bank the settlement is situated. It's the time to wind up this session. Children, once again I remind you to go through the previous year's question paper to score high. If you feel it fruitful, kindly subscribe, like and share the videos. Thank you.